It's Tom Loy with 24/7 Sports with four-star Monte Nicholson out of Gateway, Monroeville, Pennsylvania. Got some big news today, right, with the opening, so congrats on that. So how's it feel, man?
There's really no words for it. Coming into this thing, I had planned on balling out to get this, but nothing's set in stone. So I talked to my coach Don Smith. He said, if you want it, you just gotta go get it and ball out like I know you can. I felt like that's what I did today, especially towards the end. I went up with JJ Constantino. I feel like together we are a threat. So towards the end, I feel like that's what set me apart. To win the receiver MVP.
So JJ Costantino, you're talking about the Florida State commitment. So you guys have developed a pretty good relationship over time. So, and obviously he was doing a lot of recruiting of you today. So talk about your relationship with him and the possibility you guys of playing together down the road.
JJ's a funny guy, but when it comes to on the field, he definitely knows how to get his business done, and that is, I feel like we are the same in that aspect, but like I said, off the field we are pretty goofy, but on the field he's has such a strong arm, and he has the ability to get that ball there fast and hard, and as well as for Florida State, there might be a good chance that we could be playing together. But nothing's for sure.
So what's next for you in recruiting? Trips this summer? Have you lined anything up yet, or know anywhere you're going to
go? I do plan on going to Florida State. I'm not really sure when. And now that I got this the opening invite, hopefully I could go out to Oregon since they've offered. That's definitely a possibility. And so hopefully all those things could come together. And as for other visits, possibly Georgia Tech, Virginia Tech, but I'm not really sure when those are and if they're really going to happen. I got to talk to my mom some more.
When it comes down to making a final decision and picking a school that's best for you, what's going to go into that? Outside of just football, what's going to go into that decision?
The main things are, the academics. Obviously, my mom's a big advocate for those, for that aspect in the school. Either civil or mechanical engineering. That's what I like to study. And the other is the relationship, the coach-player relationship. And I feel like I've developed that with a few schools. And when it comes down to it, there's a good chance it's going to be pretty hard when I make my decision.
Have any coaches really stood out to you a little bit in the process that you really enjoy dealing with?
There are a few schools actually. Florida State, Coach Salson's a great guy. He's been friends with Coach Don for years. I talk to him often. Also, Oregon, Coach Matt Lubick, also a great guy. Coach K from Stanford. Pretty much everybody up in Michigan. And also Penn State and Pitt. And obviously Temple. Coach Cherry with Coach Perry being out there. I had that relationship with him, so it just makes him. He's my recruiter now. I mean, it's kind of weird, but it doesn't really make a difference.
Different, right?
Yeah, because our relationship is not coach-player. It's recruiter-player. But he'll still always be my coach. So.
And then obviously you got a lot of work in today at wide receiver. You're the MVP on the offensive side of the ball. But what's your preference at the next level? You play a lot of safety and corner at Gateway, and you also play receiver. So what's your preference right now?
Most likely DB, but safety. So I'd be more specific. But I played safety. Wide receiver out here. Just to increase my odds for the opening. I played DB and safety here, so I figured why not increase my chances.
Awesome. All right. Again, this is four-star Monroeville, Pennsylvania Gateway athlete Monte Nicholson. Thanks, Monte.